This is a financial report analysis that shows an overview of a firm's financial status. As you can see, the time frame is from 1st of January 2020 to 31st December 2020. The total balance is $763 billion, and from the actual budget versus target budget, we can tell roughly that the firm has not done too well in the year of 2020, with its target budget being 1.92 billion, but its actual budget being only 1.69 billion. We can also observe the trend of actual balance versus budget and its breakdown, as well as the balance by departments. For a more in-depth analysis of the statistics, we can hover over the particular department of our choice. We can also view the customer ID count across the world. From this, it can be observed that a lot of the firm's customers are from Singapore, and hovering over the location allows us to further study about the specific number of customers there are. If we want to look at individual reports of officers, we can always select an officer name and click Drill Through. This will bring us to his or her profile page with specifications for every month, including the actual balance, the revenue generated, and assets under management. If we want a more summarized look at the financial status of the firm, we can click on the Financial Highlights tab, where all the KPIs can be found. This tab gives us a sweet and concise summary of the KPIs using exact values. By clicking on the Trend Analysis tab, a trend analysis of indicators by departments such as revenue and expenses can be seen. We can view the exact values every month by hovering over the points on the graph. If we want a more detailed report, we can always click on the Detail Report tab, bringing us to a table of values by department. For the GCNA department, the highest revenue inflow of $858,000 was recorded in the month of March. Financial reports such as these are essential for firms as they allow them to oversee the financial status of the firm conveniently and locate any possible loopholes with ease. The report provides both trends and value specifications, empowering the reader to drill deep into the graphs to acquire precious information and insights.